Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Good evening to everyone. Today in this video, we'll see what are the troubleshooting steps you can follow if you couldn't sign into your Google account. I'm not going to say anything out of this official document from Google. See here, this is support for .google.com, and I assume you have already tried all the steps like checking internet connection and changing the browsers and trying on the incognito. And remember, this you can do it on the mobile Chrome browser also. So I'll drop this link in the description, and here there is a option called recover your Google account. So when I click on this, this is the site, means this is the URL what you need to browse through, and here you need to enter your email ID. Next, click on next. Okay, what this does means, this is the account recovery. For example, if you are unable to sign into your present email ID, that may be due to any reason, this page will help you. This page will recover, try to recover your lost Gmail ID. And I'll read few points from the official documentation of Gmail. See here, there will be some security questions. This Google will ask you. These questions are from the account registration setup questions, means at the time of creating your Google account, there will be some security questions. Those questions it will ask, and it will ask a phone number or a recovery email address for the account. Means during the creation of the account, you may have given secondary alternative email ID, so that email ID you need to provide. And the full name of your account, Google may ask you something like, what is your full name of this particular Google account? You need to provide. Follow the instructions. When you give your email ID, when you click on next, whatever the instructions it will ask you, so you need to give appropriate answers for that. And check in the description. I'll copy this and I'll paste it in this description. You can click on that, and I'll drop this link also. This uh, these points will be really helpful. See here, someone else is using your account. If you feel this is the point, you need to click on this particular link. If you think someone is using your Google account without your permission, follow these steps. Okay, can't sign in. This is the actual problem. Get, see here, on this official documentation, I will also drop this link in the description. You need to select the appropriate issue. You forgot your password, you forgot your username, you think someone else is using your account, or whatever it may be. If you can't sign into Google account for a kid under 13, if it is your child's account, this is the case. Yeah, so please do comments what's your actual issue, so that I may respond to you. Yeah.